Hello student, this is Lokesh with another topic of chapter number 12, that is Heron's formula. In the last session we had learned up to exercise 12.1 and we had seen how we can calculate the area of triangle using Heron's formula in case of any specific triangle. Okay, in this session we'll be going to understand, will be use the applications of Heron's formula on the quadrilateral. Okay, in this session we'll be given a spatial quadrilateral, but one thing that you might be you must remember that that quadrilateral you will not be able to identify which type of quadrilateral this will be. Okay, whether that will be a square, rectangle, rhombus and whatever, you will not be able to identify which kind of or which type of the quadrilateral this will be. For that, what will we do? We divide the quadrilateral into two triangular parts and then we use the Heron formula or any other suitable formula to calculate the area of those triangular parts. Okay, so without wasting more time, let us start exercise 12.2. So very first question is, so the first question is, a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. There is a park ABCD which is in the shape of a quadrilateral. They here they don't they didn't have shown that which type of quadrilateral this will be. Okay, has angle C is 90 degree. They have given angle C is equals to 90 degree. AB equals to 9 meter. BC equals to 12 meters. Measurement of CD is given 5 meter and AD is given 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? They are being asked that how much area this quadrilateral is occupied, and or we can say what is the area of this quadrilateral. Okay, as I told you, we are not able to identify which type of quadrilateral this will be. For that, what will we do? We'll divide this quadrilateral into two triangular parts. So here I have joined B and D. So while joining BD, I'll see that this is dividing in two what we can say, two triangles. Okay, so now what we can do, we have two triangles, first one and second one. Now we can as I told you that we find the area of these two triangles, and when we add the areas of two triangles, we'll get the area of this whole quadrilateral. Okay, but here if I use the Heron's formula, for that I need the measurement of three sides. Okay, so if I take this triangle BCD. In BCD I have measurement of CD 5 and BC I have what, 12, but I don't have the measurement of BD. For that, first I'll find the measurement of BD. Okay, for finding BD I have one hint they have given in the question, which is angle C they have given 90 degree. When I was drawing the figure, one question might have come in your mind, that why I have taken C here. Because why I have taken it? Because angle C is given 90 degrees. So for that, this is the hint of this question, how we can use it and how we can solve it. Okay, so let us see. हम क्या करेंगे, इसको पहले ये ट्राइंगल लेंगे. ओके, सो तो मैं किया क्या है, ये ट्राइंगल लिया बी सी डी, इसमें एंगल सी 90 है, तो हमको बताया कि ये 90 है, तो ये परपेंडिकुलर और ये बेस होगा. तो यहाँ हम पाइथागोरस प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो बाय यूजिंग पाइथागोरस प्रॉपर्टी वी कैन फाइंड द बी डी, एंड बी डी विल बी व्हाट, द हाइपोटेनियस. Why? Because opposite angle of the hypotenuse is 90 degrees. That's why BD will be the hypotenuse. So we'll use the Pythagoras property. We know that hypotenuse square, which is BD square, it is perpendicular. We have BC square, and base we have what, CD square. So BD we have to find, this will be as it is BC. BC we have what, 12 square, and CD we have 5 square. So here I have written BD. BD square equals to 12 square 144, 5 square 25. BD would be equals to 169, and when we find the BD, when I remove the square, then this number will be written in the root, and the square root of 169 will be what, 13 meters. So BD will get 13 meter. Okay, so this will be the 13 meters. Now we can use the Heron's formula in both both triangle, and we'll find their area, and finally we'll add the area. So first I am taking area of triangle BCD. Okay, if I find its area, I can use one more formula here. Area of triangle 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, so the area of triangle BCD equals to 1 upon 2 base into height. You know that, base into height. So base we have in BCD. I am talking about only second second triangle BCD. Base we have what? 1 upon 2 into base we have 5 and height we have what? 12. So 2 cut 12 6 times will get what? 30 meters square. This will be the area of this part. Now we'll find the area of this part. Why I have taken this formula? Because we have one angle is 90 degrees. That's why we can use the area of right angle triangle formula. Okay, but in first triangle, first part, we can't use any special triangle formula because it is an scalene triangle. It's all three sides are different. First one 8, second one 9, and third side we have what? 13 meter. So that's why we have to use the scalene triangle formula. For that we'll use the Heron's formula. Okay, so in triangle, this one, first one ABD, we are using Heron's formula. So by the Heron's formula, we can take first one. This one would be A, B I have taken 9, and C I have taken what? 13 meter. A, B, C. As we know that in Heron's formula we need S. So S we know that what? A plus B plus C by 2. So I have put the value of A, B, C here, and when I solve it, I'll get S equals to what? 15 meter. Okay. Now by using Heron's formula, I am solving this part here only because if I turn the page, you will not be able to understand. Okay. So as you know that Heron's formula, area of triangle ABD, we know that what is the Heron's formula. So Heron's formula, we know that what? S minus A, S minus B, and finally S minus C. This all will be in multiply. S we have found here what? 15. So instead of S, I am taking 15 into S minus A. S minus A what? 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. S minus B, 15 minus B we have what? 9. 15 minus 9, and C we have 15 minus C we have 13. Okay, so this would be what? 15 into 15 minus 8 will get 7, 15 minus 9 will get 6, and 15 minus 3 13 will get what? 2. Okay, now if I find the factor of 15, I'll get what? 3 into 5. Factors of 7 would be written as it is. Factors of 6 would be 3 into 2, and or you can write 2 into 3, and finally what we have? 2. So factors of 2 and 3 are in pair, so 2 and 3 will be taken out as common. 5 and 7 then will become what? 35. So we'll create 6 root 35 meter square. This would be the area of the second triangle. Now we have to find the total area. The total area of quadrilateral ABCD. This would be what? Area of triangle BCD first we have found, plus area of triangle ABD. Okay, so area of BCD we have found how much? It was 30, plus area of ABD we have what? 6 root 35. So 30 plus 6 root 35. Value of root 35 is 5.9. In class 8th you have learned how we can find the square root of any what perfect square number. So 35 can be solved like this. Okay, by 5 5 5 25. This method can be used here. Okay, tan remain. Now 5 5 become 10. Okay, now we'll take we'll put a point, and then we'll get 2 more 0. If I write here 9, so it will be what? 981. Clear? So this would be 5.9. So 30 plus 6 into 5.9, it becomes 6 9s are 54, and so it would be what? 35, approx 35.4. so when you add 30 and 35.4, you'll get 36.4 meter square, and write it approx. This would be the answer of this question. So what we have to do, we have to divide the given triangle into given quadrilateral into two triangles, and we have to find the areas of two triangles separately, and finally what will we do, we'll add them and we'll get the area of this triangle. Now second question you have to solve. Third question I'll make a separate video for that, because it is we can say the most toughest question of this exercise, and fourth question I'm solving here. So let us start question number fourth. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. Means there are two figures. First one is triangle and second one is parallelogram. So their areas are same. If the sides of the triangle are 26, 28 and 30 centimeter, sides of the triangles, three things are given. A, B and C are given. And the parallelogram is turned on the base 28 centimeters. Base of the parallelogram is given 28. Find the height of the parallelogram. We have to find the height of parallelogram. So let us start what we can do. First, we have what? A, we have 26 centimeter, B we have 28 centimeter, and C we have what? 30 centimeter. And one more thing, we have base of parallelogram is given 28 centimeter. This is for the triangle and this is for the parallelogram. Okay, now first we'll find S. We have A plus B plus C by 2. A 26, B we have 28, C we have what? 30 by 2. So when you add these three things, you'll get 17, 84. So 84, when you divide it by 2, you'll get what? 42 centimeters. So S you'll have what? 42 centimeter. Okay, now I'm finding area of triangle. So area of triangle, all three sides are different, so that's why I have to use Heron's formula. And as you all know that Heron's formula is S minus A, S minus B, and last thing we have to write S minus C. S we have here what? 42. S minus A, 42 minus A we have 26. S minus B, 42 minus B we have 28. S minus C, 42 minus C we have what? 30. Okay, so 42 as it is. 42 minus 26, when we subtract it, will get what? 16. 42 minus 28 will get 14, and 42 minus 30 will get what? 12. Okay, so the factors, when we will try to make factors, the factors of 42 factors of 42 would be what? 2 will get 21, and 21 3 and 7. Okay, factors of 16, it would be what? You can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Factors of 14 would be 2 into 7, and finally factors of 12 would be 2 into 2 into what? 3. Okay, so these are the factors of all. First we find 2 is in pair, so we'll take out common. One more pair of 2 we have. One more pair will take out it common. One more pair, so it will be common. 3 is in pair, so it will be also common. 7 is also in pair, so it will be also in common. So all things we have taken out as common. Now when we multiply these things, we'll get what? 336 centimeter square. This would be the area of the triangle. Okay, now in the question they have given the what? A triangle and the parallelogram have the same base and the same area. Both have same area, means whatever the area of triangle we have, it would be area of the parallelogram. Okay, so we'll write according to question, area of parallelogram equals to area of triangle. It is given in the question. Area of parallelogram, you know that what? Base into height. Area of triangle we have found here what? 336. Base, it is already given 28 into height equals to 336. So when we divide 336 by 28, we'll get the height by 28. You all are intelligent, you all are able to cut it and find its answer. So when you divide it, you'll get h equals to what? 12 centimeters. So height of the parallelogram would be what? 12 centimeters. This was question number 4. Question number 5th. Let us see question number 5th. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows. मीन्स एक फील्ड है, उसका शेप है रोम्बस. रोम्बस में ऑल साइड्स इक्वल होती है. ओके, वो 18 काउ वहाँ पे ग्रेस कर सकती है इफ ईच साइड ऑफ द रोम्बस इज 30 सेंटीमीटर, उस रोम्बर की हर एक साइड क्या है 30 मीटर, मीन्स ऑल साइड वुड बी इक्वल. इट्स लॉन्गर डायगोनल इज 48, लॉन्गर डायगोनल इज 48 मीन्स ए सी ये ले लिया 48 हो जाएगा ये. ओके, हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ ग्रास फील्ड विथ विल ईच काउ बी गेटिंग, तो हर एक काउ को कितना एरिया मिलेगा. सबसे पहले हमको इस फील्ड का एरिया फाइंड करना है. सो जैसे कि एज वी हैव सीन द व्हेन वी हैव जॉइन ए सी, तो विल गेट two triangles. So first we find the area of first triangle, triangle ABC by Heron's formula. A we take 30, B we take 30 and C we take what, 48. Okay, so when we find the area of ABC, whatever the area of ABC, same area will be of what, ADC. Okay, because both have the same sides. Okay, तो जो भी ABC का एरिया होगा हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला से वही एरिया ADC का हो जाएगा. दोनों के एरिया को हम 8 कर देंगे, या फिर जो भी ABC का एरिया आएगा उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो पूरे क्वाड्रिलेटरल का एरिया हो जाएगा. गेट इट? ओके, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, वॉट एवर द एरिया ऑफ ABCD यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय व्हाट, 18, बिकॉज 18 काउज आर देयर. तो जो भी एरिया आएगा टोटल उसको 18 से डिवाइड करना है. सो आपका फाइनल आंसर आ जाएगा कि हर एक काउ को कितना एरिया मिलेगा. तो अल्टीमेटली आपको क्या करना है, दोनों ट्राइंगल का एरिया फाइंड करना है हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला से. एक ट्राइंगल का एरिया फाइंड करोगे, उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे तो पूरे फिगर का एरिया हो जाएगा ABCD का. उसको 18 से डिवाइड करना है तो हर एक काउ को कितना एरिया मिलेगा, दैट वुड बी द आंसर. PDF I'll provide so you can see there. Okay.